Natrix shoe sorter, how to tension the chain. Items required. For safety, always lock out power source and follow recommended safety procedures. Turn off the filter regulator. Deactivate the chain monitoring switch by turning the switch downward. At the charge end, loosen the bolts that hold the safety rails on each side. Lift to remove the rails. Caution: it is recommended to check the chain tensioner on the sorter chain before considering removing the sections of chains. It is only necessary to remove chain sections when the charge carriage reaches the maximum amount of allowable take-up. Note: when selecting the maintenance window, run the sorter in maintenance mode until 2 master lengths are visible on the chain strand at a distance of 1,371.6 millimeters, 4 foot 6 inches, in the working area. Remove the aluminum slat rails and shoes in the maintenance window. Warning: make sure no dirt, tools, or loose screws are in the sorter frame, as this may cause the system to crash on startup. Check the chain tension 6 feet from the charge end or the first bed joint. Lift up profile slat about 3 millimeters. The succeeding running wheel must lift 1 millimeter from the surface of the guide. If not, the tension must be increased. Move the maintenance window to the charge end to expose the charge end bolts located in the adjustable slots. On each side, remove the safety covers. On each side, loosen the 4 bolts on the carrier plate and remove all screws that hold the charge end cover. On each side, loosen the charge end inner bolts located in adjustable slots. Compress the tension springs a little at a time on each side. To ensure the tension is fully compressed, pry the opening to the carrier plates to release any slack. Finish tensioning the springs. Measure the carrier plate opening at the end of the plate to the frame. Both sides should measure the same. If not, adjust the tension spring. Recheck the chain tension. Use the procedure outlined in Step 5. On each side, tighten the bolts on the inner carrier plates and all screws that hold the charge end cover. Reinstall the safety covers. Adjust the charge end to the joining conveyor unit and tighten the charge end bolts located in the adjustable slots. Note: the joining bed may need to be adjusted to maintain proper gap. Reinstall the aluminum slat rails and shoes. Important: make sure the sliding shoe is in the proper path and moves smoothly. Caution: when reinstalling the slat rail bolts, take care, as the bolts can be easily cross-threaded. Activate the switch. Turn on the power and the filter regulator. Starting maintenance test run. Warning: before the maintenance test run, inspect for loose hardware and tools in the sorter frame, as this may cause the system to crash on startup. Start the maintenance test run. Reinstall the safety rails on each side. For more MHS Conveyor videos, please visit mhs-conveyor.com.